it is black color, and you can see the front bumper with the steel bumper, and you can see number plates. You can see the air dam 2 broken, and you can see some scratches over there, and you can see the headlights 2 foggy, and right headlights little bit fog. And so you can see the mirror, chrome reflective mirror, and you can see dirty tires with the steel alloy rims. And it has some VT engines there. You can see the two tails lights. See the two tails light. The two rear tails lights with, you can see number plates with the Toyota Corolla logo, and you can see the black tints. Over here you can see a black tint, and there's inside a drum brakes with the Bridgestone tires with the steel alloyed rims, and you can see the stock exhaust with the and you can see its interior. You can see the back seats, and you can see the steering wheels, and it's a steering wheel starter design, and it makes me too much shyness about it. There's a radio, Bluetooth radio, as you can see, and you can see the rightly SRS airbags. So that it's done. So I want to buy a car which is like a Honda Civics, a Suzuki Baleno, a Tata Tiago, or some cars like Protons, Toyota, and I want to buy a modified cars which is like Liberty Walk, Rocket Bunny kits, even single wide body kits. So I want to buy this car. So it's about to sell or to keep these cars. So you can know about these cars. I told you to buy. I want to buy Honda like this Honda Civic cars. Not Suzuki Baleno cars. Not just Baleno petrol or diesel cars. So that you might have to sell or not to sell. It's better to keep. So instead of using these cars, so you can buy some another cars. So, okay. If you like this video, so please do subscribe and give me a like, comment and share. Okay. Bye. But stay tuned.